Kalispera sa όλους. Today we have a very nice sandwich with ingredients that everyone can find in their kitchen. Now you're going to need mayonnaise, mustard, and honey, and that's for the sauce. Now for the sandwich, you'll need bread, iceberg lettuce, a cucumber, green pepper, a tomato, sliced mozzarella cheese, turkey slices, and salami slices, and salt. Let's start making the sauce first. You have your mayonnaise and add your honey. After you added your honey, add your mustard. After you added the mustard, give it a really good stir so everything can mix together well. And every time I make a sauce, I always love testing it with my finger. I don't know why. Let's begin by shredding the iceberg lettuce. I cut it in half and start shredding. This should be enough for the sandwich. Let's start slicing the cucumber. You'll need around 8 to 10 slices of cucumber, depending on how big your bread is. I usually slice my cucumbers on an angle when I make a sandwich. Γιατί απλώνει καλύτερα. After you're finished slicing the cucumber pieces, put them on a plate and put it to the side. Now let's start slicing the green pepper. You'll need around 5 to 6 slices. Place the green peppers on the same plate with the cucumbers. Now it's time to start slicing the tomato. You'll need to slice around 5 to 6 pieces of tomato. Put the sliced tomatoes on the same plate with the cucumbers and the green peppers. Now we have sliced cucumbers, sliced green peppers, and sliced tomatoes. Let's start building the sandwich. This is my favorite sandwich bread. It's soft and spongy, but you could use your favorite bread for this sandwich. Now we cut the bread in 2 pieces. As soon as we cut the bread in half, we start adding the mozzarella slices. Now we add the turkey slices. After we add the turkey slices, it's time for the salami slices. After the salami slices, it's time to add the cucumber slices. Don't forget to add some salt on top of the cucumber slices. It really adds flavor to it. Now add the green peppers. After the green pepper, it's time to add the tomato slices. And don't forget to add some salt on the tomato slices. Now it's time for the iceberg lettuce. Now add 2 or 3 tablespoons of sauce on your bread. Now place it on top, and there you have it, one of my favorite homemade sandwiches. Και πάντα καλή σας όρεξη!